If you want to quickly rearrange your workbook in LibreOffice Calc, moving a sheet is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to move a sheet in LibreOffice Calc in just a few seconds, so you can keep your spreadsheets organized and easy to work with. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you can either start a new file by clicking Calc Spreadsheet under the Create section on the left side, or you can open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one saved. This works the same way in a new file or in a document you've been using before. Now look at the bottom of the spreadsheet window. You should see the sheet tabs there. These tabs represent the different sheets inside your workbook. If you have multiple sheets, this is where you can choose which one you want to move. The key thing to remember is that you are not copying the sheet. You are changing its position in the tab order. To move a sheet, click and hold the sheet tab you want to rearrange. Keep holding down the mouse button, then drag the tab left or right until it reaches the new position you want. As you drag, you'll see the placement change, so you can line it up exactly where you want it to go. Once the sheet is in the correct spot, simply release the mouse button. That's it. The sheet will move to the new position immediately, and your workbook order will be updated. If needed, you can repeat the same process for any other sheets to organize them in a way that makes more sense for your workflow. This is especially useful if you like keeping your main sheet first, placing summary sheets at the front, or grouping related tabs together. A simple drag and drop can make a big difference when you're working with larger spreadsheets, and that's how to move a sheet in LibreOffice Calc. Super easy, fast, and useful for staying organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.